What can you get in Woodbury, Minnesota that has 3 acres, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 5 or 6 car capacity, tons of privacy, and really close to Woodbury proper? Let me bring you inside and show you. Welcome to 4838 Crown Lane in Woodbury, Minnesota. As you can see, we've got some beautiful woodwork there in the living room, hardwood floors, and as we enter to the right here, we've got the formal dining area. And that leads into our kitchen. We've got solid surface counters, nice oak cabinets, nice visual into the living room there. Stainless steel appliances like new. And of course here we've got another little eat-in area. And now we'll go into the laundry room where we've got a nice washer and dryer, laundry tub, and a little sneak peek to the pool and backyard. More on that later. Next, I want to show you the awesome garage, oversized garage, plenty of space. You could park a Suburban, a boat, a truck, plenty of room for what you want there on this oversized 3-car garage. Heading back inside, and we've got the kitchen, another view of the kitchen again, nice size, and the informal eating area. And now heading into the sunroom, plenty of light. Again, look at this beautiful woodwork, just a cozy spot. And a lot of sun comes into this room and heats it up really nice, and a nice view of the deck as well. Heading back inside, again, we've got great built-ins there in the informal dining area, and a little step down to the living room where it's super cozy with that woodwork. And here again, nice little view of the deck, beautiful overlooking the pool area. And making our way down past the stairway here in the front entry, we've got bedroom number 1 and or an office. It's got nice closet space. Now we're going to head down to the other bedroom number 2 that also faces the front of the house. Again, great size here, nicely done, super well maintained. And here we've got the main floor full bathroom with a nice vanity and tile work in the shower here. Just very well done. Moving on, and we're heading into the primary bedroom. Again, great size here, plenty of room, and over here is the walk-in closet. Again, plenty of room there, and we've got the ensuite bathroom with double sinks, which you've got to love, and also nice tile floor and well done shower, 3/4 shower here in this ensuite bathroom, which you've got to love. Making our way now out past and heading downstairs is next. Again, this was built in 1989, just under 3,500 square feet, but super well maintained, as you can probably see here. Definitely a type of home that I would want my buyer to purchase. As we make it down the stairs, I want to take you into the wine cellar. Again, huge thick door, plenty of room for all of your wine. Again, this is a beautiful feature here that is temperature controlled, and here is the switch here. But again, plenty of room. You got to love a wine cellar in a house. It's just upper bracket when I see that. Next is a spa-like bathroom area. Again, we've got a jacuzzi style tub with jets that leads into this awesome shower. Look, we've got not double heads, we've got quads in this one, as well as more jets here. Again, a super nice little spa-like retreat here in the lower level. With definitely another full bathroom. Moving on, and to the left here, we've got bedroom number 4, which is a great guest room for this house. And next is the family room area, super cozy. We've got nice built-ins, gas fireplace, and now check out this. We've got this huge covered back porch area. I might put a hot tub in that left section there, and again, plenty of space to entertain overlooking the pool area. Heading back inside, and this would be a great spot for a pool table, ping pong table, and look at this beautiful bar. Again, double fridges, wet sink, just a great spot to entertain even more. Now let's head upstairs, and I want to show you the detached garage in the backyard. Again, beautiful spot here, oversized, 2-3 cars can fit in here. Or you could put a boat. It's plenty long for a nice sized boat. And look at this extra drive-through garage area here, which is nice. Just plenty of space for toys and more toys. Gotta love this extra detached garage for sure. Finishing off the tour, we've got a great fire pit area and a nice view of the pool. Again, 3 acres in Woodbury. If you're interested, reach out. I'd love to get you inside.